Greetings! Thanks for checking out our video here previewing the production job functionality that's coming out soon within Realtrac Performance ERP. Over the past year or two, we've gotten a lot of feedback from our customers that have tended to be pure job shops, saying that more and more often they are finding themselves getting repeat jobs for the same part for their customers. Adding a quasi-production part to a job shop presents unique challenges, and we've been working hard adding functionality within Realtrac to help manage this. Our users in this scenario found themselves having several Realtrac jobs open simultaneously, producing the same part, but with different manufacturing complete dates and scheduled ship dates. We decided to try to wrap this idea of running one part multiple times within a single Realtrac job. Before we show off this functionality, let's review what the production job feature is and is not. Our production job feature is designed for running one part multiple times, with multiple manufacturing completion dates, and with multiple independent shipping dates, if the user is making the parts to ship, as opposed to making them for inventory. The production job feature does not aid in the production of multiple different parts, nor directly help with the quoting of multiple production runs of the specific part. All right, let's take a look at how it works.